So let's start. We go for the pomme duchesse, and therefore we have to peel some potatoes. And for later we need such a machine, okay? And to make them really nice, you need a piping bag and some cool thing like that, okay? And what else do we need? We need some salt, some mace or nutmeg, whatever, and a little bit of milk, and of course our butter, and 1 egg yolk. And you're gonna make like 400 grams of potatoes. But I tell you, we make both. We make mashed potatoes and pomme duchesse in one strike. And therefore we peel them. So we are looking for like 1 inch big pieces, and therefore we cut the potatoes and then just do this in the middle. Like we want this big pieces. Here we go. We brought the water to a boil and salted it. And now in goes our lovely potatoes for around 15 to 20 minutes. You can't overcook it. So you check the potatoes, you just cut inside and look if they're mashy, and if they're like this, it's perfect. So we gonna drain them. You fill the potatoes in like this, don't put there too much, and then you press this little machine and there comes out all the goodness. So you want to season it now with some butter, of nutmeg on it, and some salt. And then we're gonna continue for the rest. So some last seasoning. You would continue now with milk to get mashed potatoes, but we make our lovely pomme duchesse, and therefore we just take away half of it like this, and out of the rest I'm gonna make some lovely mashed potatoes. Then you put in 1 egg and you just combine it very smoothly. Fold it. You might want to add some lovely fresh pepper or piping bag with the little nozzle, and you just want to fold it here and put in all these lovely potatoes inside of it. You want to just put it to the end. See, you're gonna press. It's the fun part, okay? You just go in little rounds and make these little huts. Go in little rounds and go up. And this is so easy and satisfying, isn't it? So you let them rest at a cool place for like 1 hour. You also might want to check out my carrot video, link below. So now we need an egg yolk. We just got it here. Put it in a bowl and a little drip of milk or water. Very nice. You want to have it really runny, so you just drizzle a lid on top and the rest is gravity. So we have got the oven at 180 and we just put in our beautiful, beautiful duchesse potatoes for 10 to 12 minutes. They have been in the oven now for 15 minutes and we're gonna check them out. See, that's how they look like. And I have one for you, and we just go inside of it. Look. This is creaminess and a little bit of crispiness outside. That's how we love it. Try it, try it. And see, you can lift them as easy as that. They don't stick. They are gorgeous.